Welcome to the IT Experience podcast. We're here to guide IT and global business services professionals in navigating experience management, focusing on how to optimize budgets and drive better business outcomes. Join us as we discuss the trends, tools, and strategies with top industry experts that are transforming the future of service delivery in large enterprises. This podcast is brought to you by HappySignals, the leading experience management platform for IT and global business services.
Hello, welcome to this IT.Recent Monthly. Today our topic is Digital Employee Experience, DEX, as some people call it. But hey, first, welcome our co-hosts, Sami and Sakari. How are you guys?
Feeling very, very good today. Thank you, Pasi.
Absolutely, same here. Sunny day, blue skies.
Perfect. So we'll start this podcast with the just today released press release that HappySignals and Nexthink are announcing a strategic partnership. I'll give it to you, Sami. So maybe as a CEO of HappySignals, maybe you can give your insight that what does this mean for the industry and what does it mean for our customers and other people who are interested in both of these topics.
Yeah, first of all, great day for our company, and I would say great thing for Nexthink as well. A big day for us. We have been following them and they have been following us, and everybody has been doing sentiment and experience and tech data and so on. And I think it was like 2 years ago that our customers started to be really asking us that, hey, could you do something together, or how we combine the data? And now we are here. So I think that is kind of in my head, the journey has been like 2 years ongoing, but now it's reality. We work together to help customers to really understand both the experience side, sentiment side of life, and that relating, how that relates to the tech data, so that you really get the full experience and understand that on these both platforms. So, and I'm very excited about hearing feedback now from customers and partners and co-customers. I think we have tens of customers that are working together already with us and Nexthink. So that will be one key area to get this started, really.
Yeah. What about you, Sakari? What's your take on this partnership?
No, I think this makes sense. We know that in the world of experience, and as this has been gaining momentum, XLAs are more and more a topic that is spoken about, and experience management in general. And there are different sides to it. Yes, you do need a deep technical understanding of the IT environment, but you also need that deep understanding of the humans that are using the technology. So like Sami said, many people have been asking, when would you start working together and could you, etc. So this feels like a natural progression on this journey.
Yeah. And kind of related to this, you guys visited a Nexthink event in London last week. So maybe if you want to share some experiences on that, like what has been discussed, what were the conversations that you were having there? So maybe Sakari, if you want to start now this time.
Yeah. Yes, we went to Nexthink Experience 25 in London, and it's a big event. There was a lot of people there. And I think maybe one thing that I took away from that event is how natural it felt to speak to the people there. We are all focused and all have the same interest at heart. We all want to make a better experience for the end users in enterprises when they deal with technology and with IT services. So I think that it felt natural. It felt like we should be there. And we had good conversations with the customers and customers of Nexthink, and also with other industry analysts, etc. And it just felt natural. I suppose that's my big takeaway.
Perfect. What about you, Sami?
Yeah, I think it's natural, and I feel that we were even very, very welcome to the event by both the customers and Nexthink employees. And I had zero discussions where somebody wouldn't have. They first like, why are you here? That was, of course, the question, and then we opened it a bit, like, that makes so much sense, and it kind of ended up having a great discussions already in London, even though we were not yet able to talk openly about the collaboration. But now news is out, and then we can be talking about this much more detailed with you all.
And maybe the follow-up for this announcement is then an event in Boston next week. So Sami, you are going there with some of our employees. So of course you'll be accompanied by Katie Bates, our VP of partners, and Katie is the one that has been really working on this partnership and making this strategic partnership true. But what is, Sami, your expectation, and what can we expect? What can people expect on the Boston event?
I think there will be happening two big things. Katie will be having a session there, presenting what we do and about the collaboration. Secondly, we are having a booth there, and we are going to have demos that how this really works and what is it, to make it a bit more concrete. And for me, this is the first time we are going to show that to prospects and customers, so that we really are waiting for that feedback and so on. So it will be really insightful event for us, hopefully for the customers as well. But I'm really waiting to learn a lot in that event, because we know that as London was big event, this is maybe even a bit bigger. There will be a lot of people from Nexthink and customers and so on. So really waiting for that. It will be a hard trip. It's only 2 nights in Boston, and I will be dead after that. But hopefully happy and dead, if that makes sense.
Yeah, and maybe for people who might be coming to Boston or might not come to Boston. So actually then week after Boston, on the 21st of October at 4 p.m. CET time or 9 a.m. CET time, we're having a webinar where you, Sami, and Katie are explaining more how does this work in practice, showing 3 practical use cases, how to use the both of the tools together to actually make better IT decisions. So you can see the page here on the screen, but I'll also put the link to the registration on the show notes. But anything you guys want to comment on the webinar, and why should somebody come and join this one?
I think that is an efficient way of getting in 20 minutes to understand what this is all about. Even though you wouldn't be yet customer to us or Nexthink, just see that and you will understand how the tech data and experience data, how they should be collaborating, and how those should be seen as a one thing driving better experiences, not seen as separate as they might be seen before.
Yeah, and I think this is also a good way you can invite your colleagues, because again, sometimes it is this like, why do I need this both? So I think that's what we're trying to tackle. I think, Sakari, you love the slogan, better together, HappySignals and Nexthink. So I think the whole idea of the webinar is to uncover this, like how do you really use it, give you those insights, and then of course, happy to have those more detailed conversations after that. Anything else on the Nexthink partnership that you guys want to share, or any thoughts that came into mind?
No, I think this is now curious to see. Like we mentioned in the beginning, people have been asking us when we would do this. Now we are doing it. So seeing what the future brings, I think there's a great anticipation in the air, and I'm very much looking forward to the coming months as we start having this conversation with you as enterprise IT people. And when you're looking at these two technologies together and thinking, how are they better together? And come to the webinar, you will see how, and you'll also hear the why.
Perfect. But then, Sami, maybe we end it with another topic. So last year we were celebrating 10 years, but now it's 11 years.
And surprise.
Yeah. So we posted this stupid picture to LinkedIn, which I think some of the old friends from the ITSM industry that broke the internet of you, me, and the third Sami founders in funny hats and pink suits. But also what is happening now, where we are actually today when this is coming out, we are going to be in Austria, in close to Vienna, with the whole company. What is, guys, your expectation on that company event?
A great expectation. We have been hiring this year quite many people, and there is a lot of people that have not met everybody. And when we have everybody there, it's a great team spirit. And also we are talking about the new stuff coming out and what we are doing now and what are the priorities. So this time the 10-year travel was only like team spirit and having fun. Now we have a bit of an official program as well to kind of not kickstart this year, but kickstart the Q4 is a thing in Austria.
What about you, Sakari?
Yeah, I look forward to it. It's beautiful wine country outside Vienna, and I look forward to meeting all the colleagues again. We are spread across the globe in different locations, so this is special moments when we get to be together and enjoy each other's company and talk about things late into the night. So very looking forward to it as well.
Yeah, I think as a people company, this is quite important for us as well, to see each other and have a bit of brainstorming and those ad hoc discussions, and ask questions and get new ideas and so on. Yeah. All right, but I think that's probably it. This is the short episode on this DEX topic. So please join us again for the next monthly. We haven't now done this each month, which maybe highlights how busy it has been for us. But we'll try to improve and start being regular again. So thank you for still following the podcast and being with us in this journey. So as we usually end it, stay safe, stay happy.
If you liked this episode, please give us thumbs up, rating, or share it with your colleagues to help others learn about this topic as well. To learn more, go to HappySignals.com.